Today in this video I am going to discuss to boost my lung health by incorporating these 5 powerful foods into my diet for a week. Our lungs play a vital role in keeping us alive, and it's amazing how much of an impact our diet can have on their health. What we eat can either help cleanse our lungs or clog them up, so it's really important to make informed choices. Pollution is a major factor that affects lung health, and it's something we can't always control. Whether it's the air we breathe in our cities or the chemicals we're exposed to in our daily lives, it can have a real impact on our lung function. Smoking is another big one. It's a leading cause of lung disease and can cause irreversible damage. Respiratory illnesses like asthma and bronchitis can also be a real challenge, making everyday activities a struggle. Lung health is something we should all be proactive about, regardless of our age or background. By making a few simple changes to our diet, we can reduce our risk of developing lung problems and even help alleviate symptoms. Foods rich in antioxidants and fiber can be particularly beneficial, as they help reduce inflammation and keep our airways clear. A healthy diet can also boost our immune system, giving us a better chance of fighting off infections. Our environment and lifestyle can also take a toll on our lungs, from secondhand smoke to air pollution. Even if we don't smoke ourselves, being around people who do can still cause harm. The same goes for living in areas with high levels of air pollution. It can be just as damaging as smoking a pack a day. That's why it's so important to take control of what we can, starting with the food we eat. Foods like leafy greens, berries, and citrus fruits are all great for lung health. Leafy greens are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, while berries are rich in vitamin C, which keeps our airways clear. Citrus fruits are also high in vitamin C, making them a great addition to our diets. Other foods like turmeric, ginger, and green tea have anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe and cleanse our lungs. Turmeric, for example, contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the lungs, while green tea is rich in antioxidants that help protect against cell damage. These foods can be easily incorporated into our diets, whether it's adding turmeric to our meals or drinking green tea every morning. The way these foods work to cleanse our lungs is really interesting. They help reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to lung disease. By eating foods rich in antioxidants and fiber, we can help keep our airways clear and reduce our risk of developing lung problems. It's amazing how much of a difference a few simple dietary changes can make. One food that really stands out is pomegranate. It's packed with antioxidants and has been shown to have a real impact on lung health. Pomegranate juice, in particular, has been found to reduce inflammation and improve lung function in people with respiratory diseases. It's a game changer for anyone looking to improve their lung health, and it's so easy to incorporate into our diets. Pomegranate is also rich in vitamin C, which helps keep our airways clear and reduces the risk of infection. The antioxidants in pomegranate have also been shown to reduce the damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to lung disease. It's an incredible food that can have a real impact on our lung health, and it's definitely worth adding to our diets. Incorporating foods like pomegranate, turmeric, and green tea into our diets can have a real impact on our lung health. These foods are all easy to find and can be easily added to our meals, whether it's drinking pomegranate juice or adding turmeric to our curries. By making a few simple changes to our diets, we can reduce our risk of developing lung problems and improve our overall health. In conclusion, the 5 powerful foods I've been incorporating into my diet are leafy greens, berries, citrus fruits, pomegranate, and green tea. These foods are all rich in antioxidants and fiber, and can help reduce inflammation and keep our airways clear. By making small dietary changes, we can have a big impact on our lung health. Let me know in the comments which of these foods you're most excited to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and videos.